There's this quiet revolution happening right now, but it's not on the streets or in the news. It's happening right on our phones. It's a movement that's all about turning something we do every single day into an act of just incredible power.
See, the biggest changes don't always start with some huge grand speech or a massive rally. Sometimes they start with something much smaller, much quieter. Sometimes they start with just one word, a word that can seal a blessing, that can open the gates of heaven and turn one person's prayer into a whole nation's strength. We've created a simple, powerful tool for our busy lives, connecting Jews in real time. The idea is so simple, it's actually genius. Amen Anytime is basically a live chain of Jews all over the world who are ready at a moment's notice to answer Amen in real time. It's all about connecting people to complete blessings for each other, no matter where you are or what you happen to be doing. Okay, check out how easy this is. Step 1, though, you start a live group call and you just make your blessing. Step 2, anyone who's free at that exact moment jumps on the call to answer Amen for you. And step 3, well, that's it. You hang up and go on with your day. There's no pressure, no awkward small talk, just a pure, powerful moment of connection.
So, why is this one little word so incredibly powerful? Let's dig into that. Well, our sages teach that the one who answers is greater than the one blessing.
From a Jewish legal point of view, a blessing is almost like giving testimony in court. And in Jewish law, one witness is never enough to make something valid. So the person who says the blessing, they're the first witness. But it's the person who answers Amen who acts as the crucial second witness, validating that testimony and making the blessing complete. Without that Amen, something is literally spiritually missing.
The Talmud says a sincere Amen literally has the power to change worlds. And mystically, it goes even deeper. The Zohar says Amen stitches worlds together.
So when you answer Amen, you're pulling blessings from heaven right down to earth.
Of course, there are a few simple guidelines to protect the holiness of the group.
You can think of them as guardrails for holiness. It's live blessings only. Try to be in a clean space. Keep it quick, and there's absolutely no pressure to chat. And this is a big one. If you're busy, just mute the notifications. Don't leave the group. The goal is to keep this chain strong and unbroken for everyone.
And this right here, this is the whole point. Every single time you participate, you are actively taking a device that is designed from the ground up to steal our attention, and you are transforming it into a powerful tool for creating tangible moments of holiness in the world. This turns technology, often a distraction, into a tool for real holiness and connection. We're basically flipping the script on our phones, using them for faith, not just scrolling.
This is what modern unity, what achdut, really looks like. It's not just about dancing together at a wedding, as amazing as that is. It's about answering for each other, across different time zones, across busy schedules, creating this powerful, invisible chain of faith that connects us all. So I'll just leave you with this thought. We often think that a spiritually significant act has to be long or difficult or complicated. But what if the holiest thing you do all day, the act that opens a gate in heaven and tears up a bad decree, what if that act takes only 5 seconds? That is the quiet, incredible power of Amen Anytime. So, the only question is, whose blessing will you complete today? Join the movement.